All right, guys, good morning. Good morning. Welcome aboard to the Morning Note. My name is Carlos Garcia, founder and CEO of Guard Capital. It is Black Friday, day after Thanksgiving, November 24th, 2023. Glad to be with you this morning. I don't expect many people to be on this morning. Again, we have a half day today. The market is closed at 1 p.m. today. Let's go ahead and get started. If the market's open, we're here working. Dow futures up 46 points this morning. NASDAQ just went red, but it's flat. S&P 500 futures 45.69. That's up 0.04%. The Russell's down 0.03%. 1798. 10-year Treasury bonds 4.474, right under 4.5. Dollar continues to slide 103.61, down about 0.30%. The VIX 1308, up 2% this morning. Crude oil is down another 1% this morning at 76 and a quarter. $2.17 for gasoline futures. That's down another dollar. Gold is above 2,000, up 0.43%. Silver futures 2403, up 1.46%. Copper futures 375, down about 0.24%. Here in Forex land, 109.19, up 14 pips for the euro dollar. Dollar yen is up 1 pip, 149.59. Dollar Canadian dollar down 41 pips, 136.59. Pound dollar 125.75. That's up 39 pips. Bitcoin did tag 39,000 this morning. We're at 38,580 on the future side. I answered a question on Instagram yesterday while the turkey was cooking. I only answered 3 questions. I got real busy towards the Thanksgiving. I'm sure everyone can understand. We talked about what was my target, around 40,000 or 41,000 by the end of the year on Bitcoin. Ethereum 2154. That's up about 1.77% on the futures side. Good morning. Again, I'm pretty sure everyone's pretty tired, maybe hungover from last night and having a good time. Good for y'all. Good for y'all. Hope everyone's having a nice, wonderful morning. Maybe you're off today. If you're not, you're at the office. Again, here for y'all every day. All right, let's go to the S&P 500 futures. Again, we still need to break above 4,600. We're at 45.69, looking pretty good. Really, the only level that we have to be really kind of concerned with is around 45.50, possibly. Again, guys, it's a short day. Don't expect tons of volume. Volume doesn't look the best. More than times than not, those trading desks are probably out for the day in Wall Street. Nasdaq futures flat. I mean, not much. Not much more we could say that what we have said already. We do expect to go higher. Not the best daily candle that day, as you could see that reversal candle here. Not the best, but let's see if we get continuation here on Nasdaq. Again, it's a breakout. Not much you could say there, and really next level is really all-time highs on Nasdaq. So let's take a look at SPX. This is the S&P spot. Look where we are, right there, right hitting our head right on that trend line. We need to make sure we break out of that. 45.71 on S&P 500 spot will get us there. So we're getting a pullback a little bit this morning. Again, I don't think today will give us any kind of indictment on any kind of future moves. It's just a short day after a holiday. I have some AMD calls that I opened as well. Here we go. Friday, November 24th as a market holiday observance, 12 p.m. Central Time. That's 1 p.m. I still expect AMD to continue to go higher. I have the 125 calls. Disney, same deal. I expect them to go higher. I have 100 calls for that. Citibank, same deal. Waiting for 45.74 to break. NVIDIA reported some news this morning. Let's see if we can get that from the blog. Let's see here. NVIDIA delays rollout of new custom AI chip for China, shares dip. NVIDIA is great. I can't really say, NVIDIA is a bad company, obviously, as we know. Is it a little rich? Yeah. I mean, depending on what your time frame is. Let's see if we can get back to 459.28, retest that trend line, and then bounce. That's what we're looking for. As long as we stay above the 20, we should be okay. We're at 487, 483.50, 459. That'd be a nice, decent level to see if we can get a bounce off support. But I do expect semiconductors to continue to climb as I am in AMD currently. So again, it's just going to be one of those things to just hurry up and wait. We'll go over more into detail over the weekend when I do the recap video where we talk about the week that we just had and previewing the next week. Last week of November is next week. So we're going to go ahead and end the month strong. Let's see any other news this morning. Investors put in $16.5 billion into equity funds markets, marking the largest 2-week inflow since February 22nd at $40 billion. Investment grade bonds receiving the biggest inflow in 15 weeks at $3.1 billion, slight outflow from treasuries. Bull and bear contrarian buy signal has ended after investors move into stocks, and bond flows continue for the seventh week, about 4 billion. We also had Fed futures currently pricing about 10% chance of an additional 25 basis point hike by January 31st meeting, 23% chance of first rate cut in March of 2024. This morning, we'll have a PMI composite flash. That's Purchase Manager Index. That's more of a survey to see if we have expansion in buying of goods and or contraction. Anything below 50 is a contraction. Anything above 50 is an expansion. NYSE, the stock market's closed at 1. I don't know what SIFMA is. I want to assume that's bonds. And the Fed balance sheet's at 430. We also had ceasefire talks take hold in Gaza ahead of hostage release. Aid enters enclave. Tesla ready to invest about $2 billion into India factory. The S&P is now up 8.7% in November, one of the best performances in the last century. Look at that. Wow. Really what, since 1928, the index has gained more than 8%, fewer than 10 times since 1928 in terms of a month. So, some really great stuff there to see. So I also thought this was funny. I want to have some fun with Thanksgiving table later today. Point out that credit scores, FICO scores, are at all-time highs. I mean, I don't even know what to say to that. Wow. FICO scores at all-time highs. That's something to be thankful for, obviously. If you lived through 2008, 2009, you know that good credit is not a give me for sure. You know, that's one of those things that takes time to build over time, as we know. I wish I had more to talk about, but again, just choppy action. No need to do anything. We're done at 1, so we'll be watching as always. But again, short day, 10, 11, 12, 1. What, 4.5 hours of work in a about 7-hour day, just about a half day. So we'll see what we get. No need to press the button or do anything. We got some risk open. If one of these hit, we'll take it and we'll go from there. So far in terms of the week, we do have Palantir hit. That was 41%. The rest are for either next week or 2 weeks from now. So again, we have nothing but time on our side. So we're just going to chill and watch and see what we get. So just like a half day today, we'll do a short video, make the short video today, and we'll see what we get. So again, if you are interested in joining our live market blog, that is free for all. The description is in the description box below, all the details. So make sure to join us. We'd be happy to have you. So if you're doing some Black Friday shopping, enjoy yourself. Stay safe out there. It's nice and cool and chilly here in Central Florida. Top of the morning, Envy. So I hope you guys have a great start to your weekend. I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow for the market recap. So I'll knock that out tomorrow, and we'll see what we got. At 3 p.m., we got the Jets and the Dolphins. So we got some Black Friday football. I'm going to watch that too. How about those Cowboys last night? Go Cowboys, baby. Big win. Yes, the Washington Commanders are not the best, but I'll take the W any day of the week. So we'll leave it there, guys. Thank you guys for joining. Again, not a lot of viewers. I didn't expect this to. We'll make this really quick. Kind of talk about certain things. Again, crude oil pulling back, but again, don't have much expectations here. You don't need to do much. What I'm going to be doing today is really just watching to see if there's any opportunities for next week. I'm definitely not trading for today, so we'll see what we get. Have a great rest of your morning. Again, thanks for joining me again. If you have any questions, feel free to type it in the comments or in the live chat, and I'll answer them for you. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I hope everyone had a great night last night. I know I ate way too much, but isn't that what Thanksgiving's all about? Enjoy yourselves. We will see you guys on Saturday for the market recap and preview of next week. Turn on notifications so you don't miss that video. It is recorded. We will see you then. Have a great rest of your Black Friday, and I'll catch you there. Cheers.